Manjit. Ready? Camera.
24 by 8 plus 10 plus 10 plus 1.
Take one. Action.
I think in Mohabbat we had the best technical team there is in Hindi films today.
इस फिल्म को बनाना बहुत ही मुश्किल काम था.
I've never put up those kind of sets before.
It's the most difficult film for me as a designer.
I don't think a suit looks as good on anybody else as it does on Mr. Bachchan.
The look of Amitabh Ji, Shah Rukh, and all these boys and girls, every boy, every girl is playing different characters. So between Karan and Manish, this created that look.
You know, I just found it so bizarre that I had to design clothes for Mr. Amitabh Bachchan because Adi said, I said, you know, how am I going to do it? You know, I can't speak straight sentences in front of him, leave alone trying to describe to him a look, you know. So he said, no, I'll be there and we'll work it out. And that's when I realized why he is really the god of Indian cinema, because when he came there, we had made these outfits that Adi and I had discussed. And he stood there 3 hours in front of the camera and just gave his profile.
Initially, I would have thought that this name, Narayan Shankar, would describe a person in, say, a dhoti and a kurta, and perhaps a shawl or a tika on his forehead. But I must give it to Adi for being strong and very adamant about the look that he wanted. He wanted a very healthy mix of both the cultures.
They designed my hair in a different way. I think I must be one of the first few male actors in India who had a hairstylist on the sets. So that was quite a luxury and felt very good. And of course the clothes are a little soft. So they're like pants which I normally don't wear and a t-shirt and sweater slung over my shoulder, which I never wear. I just always have it slung over my shoulder. I'm freezing to death in the cold, but I won't wear it. He's no longer the college boy and the young kind of zippy, zany kind of look that he normally has come with in the other kind of films like Dil To Pagal and Kuch Kuch Hota Hai. It's a more mature role and therefore it needed a more mature look, and it definitely is one of his most mature performances.
Characters are so beautifully etched out, and that helps a costume designer, because if Kimmy's character is different from Preeti's and Preeti's character is different from Shamita. Preeti is a very young, simple girl from a joint family, and her costumes had to be Indian. So we made some chiffon, pastel shade long kurta, something that I love and they love. Kimmy is a girl who's very young, who's very spirited. She's very energetic and she's a lot of fun in the film. So for that reason, we're given these very sweet clothes, but very easy clothes like shorts and jeans.
Well, I love clothes. The costume rehearsals were good fun because Manish makes beautiful clothes, and I love beautiful clothes, and completely love what Manish, the look Manish has given me in this film.
I had to watch everything I was eating and put on like 5 kgs for this film because he wanted her to look really fit and not fat, but really fit and sporty.
Shamita is this sporty girl in the film, and her dressing is not something that you've seen before because she's worn a lot of different kind of pants and stuff like that. And there's this one dance sequence which she's done with Uday, where both of them are wearing black and she's supposed to look very sensuous.
Uday's look was, he was the cool one, he was the flamboyant one, so, you know, colors were always, and colors and more body-fitting things because that was his character. He was like the bright boy of the three. Jugal was the sweeter, more romantic, you know, so his colors were softer, his approach to the costume was much more like, you know, softer, you know, shirts, left out, t-shirts, always with a bag, you know, crossed like that. And Jimmy was the more man, the hero, the more mature one of the three. So his dressing had to be done accordingly, you know, he was always the more sober one of the three.
I think these are the most talented newcomers that I've ever worked with. Besides being talented, they're the most hardworking newcomers that I've worked with. I mean, they were rehearsing 6 months in advance every day for 3-4 hours without an ouch.
I was given this really gory picture of Farah Khan, like she's something like she's a devil or something like that. She's gonna come and just slaughter me or something like that. So I was shocked when I met her for the first time, and I was doing my rehearsals. She looked at me and she started laughing and whatever. And I still remember that she said that he works very hard.
We were shooting Aankhein Khuli, the song, and all of us girls were on a bench, right? And the boys have to do like a frog leap over some other boys and come and pick you up. So there I was standing, you know, waiting for Jugal to come and pick me up. And I saw them coming, they did a frog leap, and suddenly Jugal wasn't there.
I'll never forget that. The song was about half over, and I fell and I fractured one bone in my left foot. So I had to wear my black socks on top and dance without shoes. So this foot was like this big swollen thing with a plaster. My other foot was normal with just one sock. I picked up Kim in the shot, but she had a very heavy lunch, so I fell and broke my leg. But she's okay. I'm the hero, I saved her. Footwear by Gucci.
I had the most pleasant experience with them because they were on time. They would rehearse like 100 times before every shot, and they were just so eager and so enthusiastic that it makes a pleasant change from, you know, working with people who are for whom is just a job.
इस फिल्म को बनाना बहुत ही मुश्किल काम था क्योंकि कैनवस इतना बड़ा है फिल्म का. फिल्म्स में इतने कैरेक्टर्स हैं, तकरीबन 5 लव स्टोरी साथ के साथ चल रही हैं. उसके अलावा एक कॉलेज और कैंपस का बैकग्राउंड है जिसमें 400, 500, 600 स्टूडेंट्स जो हैं वो हर वक्त घूम रहे हैं. दूसरी ये फिल्म है जो कि मोस्टली सेट्स पे बनी है. इससे पहले इतने सेट्स यशराज फिल्म्स में हमने कभी नहीं लगाए.
We wanted to make that set because of certain real problems that we can't shoot the things what we have shot. 500 dancers, rain, night, day, on real location.
We haven't tried to replicate any particular township. What we have done is created something that looks British in architecture, and we haven't called it any of the known places in India. It was an enormous set, and it took us a month and a half to complete that set. It took a fabulous amount of manpower.
माल रोड का सेट था तो इतना बड़ा 4-5 करोड़ का सेट लगाना आउटडोर में कोई बहुत मुश्किल काम था. और उसका लुक और उसकी सराउंडिंग्स और उसकी एक एक चीज़ जो है, उसकी सड़क कैसी है, उसकी टाइल्स कैसी हैं, उसकी दुकानों में जो सामान रखा हुआ है वो क्या है, मतलब बहुत डिटेल वर्क किया गया है. इसी तरह असेंबली हॉल की जैसे मैंने बात की, वहाँ मुझे जब एंटर किए तो हमें लगा नहीं कि हम सेट पे एंटर कर रहे हैं. ऐसा लगता था कि एक्चुअली बहुत बड़ा ह्यूज कोई असेंबली हॉल है यूनिवर्सिटी का जहाँ हम आए हैं और शूट कर रहे हैं.
This film is based on an institute, and डायरेक्टर आदित्य चोपड़ा के दिमाग में एक कॉन्सेप्ट था कि my institute should be like this. This should be building, and दूर तक कुछ होना चाहिए. There should be small temple, small pagoda, gate is important. Railings are important. And we definitely looked all over the country. We went to all the institutes possible. But what was his conception? We couldn't find anywhere. Then we went to London and went to a lot of places. When we went to Longleat, we could feel this is the place जो एक डायरेक्टर ने कंसीव किया है, ये सोची है, या उसके विजन में आई है.
I was a little skeptical, I must admit, when he decided that he would go to a foreign location to replicate the exteriors or some interiors of Gurukul, because Gurukul is a very Indian-sounding name, and I felt that how would an Indian-sounding institution look in an area which is alien to Indian culture? But I must admit that when I saw the location for the first time, it was awesome.
It was so lonely and cold. And I remember the narration that Adi had given me that when I come into the building, sunlight comes. And in the middle of this green, acres and acres of greenery, you have this huge mammoth building. It was so imposing that it's not inviting. You know, it's so big. And I think it's absolutely wonderful.
The two things that I remember very distinctly about shooting in England is, one is cold and the other is hunger. Unbeknownst to us, March is actually winter time in London. So we didn't know that, but it gets really, really cold.
Is he loving this 3 minutes? This is what happened to Uday when he tried to give a snow shot. Yeah. Please, all producers who sign him, do not use him in snow.
The temperature was really cold, and most of the time, as you will see in the film, we're wearing clothing which is very Indian and very minimal. And the cold of London and England during that time of the year was absolutely unbearable.
And yaar, by the time you utrega, wo freeze ho jayega yaar.
And then rushing back to our overcoats and mufflers and scarves and gloves as soon as the shot was over.
Arey yaar, aisi halat mein tum hamari photo le rahe ho. Varun, you should be ashamed of yourself.
It was great fun, but I think that to be able to emote in these sub-zero conditions with such flimsy clothing on you must have been very memorable for me.